Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing a clear number line. Mark 0 and locate exactly 1 unit to the right. Once done, set your compass to that unit span so it stays fixed. Next, at point 1, construct a perpendicular line and mark a point exactly 1 unit above. You now have a right angle with legs both length 1. This immediate setup creates the legs of a right triangle whose hypotenuse equals √2, and you're ready to use the hypotenuse as your key measurement. You now draw the straight line from 0 to the top of the perpendicular. That segment is the hypotenuse of a 1x1 right triangle. By the Pythagorean theorem, its length equals the square root of 2. This is why we built equal legs. Next, place the compass point at 0 and open it to that hypotenuse length. Carefully, with the same compass span, step along the horizontal number line to mark the point to the right of 0 that corresponds to that distance. You finish by marking and labeling the point you transferred. That point is located at coordinate square root of 2. Make sure to verify by measuring the distance back to 0. It should match the hypotenuse you used. If the point seems off, recheck unit precision. Ensure your initial 0-1 spacing was exact, the perpendicular was truly 90 degrees, and the compass didn't slip while transferring. If needed, redraw the perpendicular and repeat the transfer slowly to eliminate error.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.